As dawn breaks, nature unveils its most powerful lifts, Sun. Today, harnessing the sun's energy is not just a vision but a reality. Addwatt Power is a ground-mounted and rooftop solar PV specialist where we are transforming the way world harnesses the power of sun, illuminating the path to a brighter, greener future by transforming the sunlight with Addwatt Power Solutions. Our in-house team, with specialized expertise in engineering, procurement, and construction, guarantees the delivery of cutting-edge projects tailored to utility, commercial, and industrial power consumers. Addwatt Power was founded in 2014 with a vision to contribute towards global clean energy transition by delivering high-quality renewable energy projects. Addwatt has established itself as a leading name in the Indian solar industry. Consistently ranking among the top 10 solar energy companies in industry reports. We have successfully delivered many projects over and above 1.5 gigawatts of renewable energy projects across diverse terrains in India and abroad. In today's world, businesses are increasingly seeking sustainable energy solutions to reduce their carbon footprint and meet their environmental goals. Addwatt Power Solutions are developing many solar parks across the country and globally. Our advanced technology and expertise allows us to maximize energy production. At Addwatt Power Solutions Private Limited, our success is driven by our people. Our dedicated team of experts and engineers work tirelessly to push the boundaries of solar technology, ensuring that we continue to lead the way in renewable energy solutions. With presence in India, Mauritius, Kenya, we are actively partnering with leading brands in ensuring green energy transition in Africa. Our cutting-edge solutions are helping in lighting millions smiles in the most energy-starved part of the world. By forging strong bonds with contractors and suppliers, we ensure that we have access to the top quality materials and resources, and we streamline our operations, ensuring efficiency, reliability, and excellence in execution. With a market presence in Asian and African countries, our solar solutions are making a significant impact across continents. We are not just a player in the industry. We are a leader driving innovation and excellence across diverse sectors. Together, we are building a brighter, cleaner future for generations to come. Embrace the power of the sun with Addwatt Power Solutions and be a part of the solar revolution.